Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Fanta from Ethiopia. My research title is Business Innovation and Interdisciplinary Study of Lafto Form Factor Ethiopia. My presentation is a research proposal on how business innovation can strengthen competitiveness and sustainability of manufacturing company in Ethiopia using Lafto Form Factory as a case study. Background of the study. Let me begin with the role of innovation in manufacturing firm competitiveness. Innovation drives manufacturing competitiveness by enabling the business to develop new products, improve processes, and reduce costs, which creates a significant competitive advantages. According to the Terzic 2017. Therefore, innovation is a key driver for competitiveness and sustainability. Manufacturing is vital for Ethiopian industrialization and job creation. Lafto Form Factory, medium-scale enterprise facing new market challenges required innovation. In today's global market, innovation defines success according to Stable 2006 in Ethiopia, where manufacturing drivers industrial growth enterprise like Lafto Form Factory must innovate not just in technology but also in management and culture. Ethiopia's manufacturing sector transforming under industry policy according to the Ishete 2018. Form products essential for homes, industry, and commerce, challenges limited finance, raw materials, skills, research and development linkages. A study explores innovation across products, process, marketing, and organization. Therefore, the proposal of the present study is to explore the level of business innovation in the context of Ethiopian manufacturing companies taking Lafto Form Factory as a case study. Statement of problems. Lafto Form Factory struggles with adopting new manufacturing technologies, diversifying product lines, enhancing operational efficiency, building culture of innovation. While Lafto Form has maintained stability, it faces barriers to continue innovation mainly in technology, products design, efficiency, and mindset. In this regard, this research aims to understand not just what innovation looks like at Lafto Form, but how it can be improved across technical, organizational, and human dimensions. The other is research objectives. This is a general objective to explore critical challenges hindering competitiveness and propose strategies for fostering business innovation through an interdisciplinary approach. A specific objective. Specific objective 1, to explore internal and external factors affecting business competitiveness. 2, to assess current innovation approaches and practice for competitiveness. 3, to examine business leadership and culture. 4, to propose strategies for sustainable innovation. Research questions. What are the likely internal and external factors affecting business competitiveness in the study area? To what extent current innovation approaches and practice for competitiveness are effective? 3, how business leadership and culture is practiced in Ethiopia? What strategies can strengthen innovation capacity? Thus, this research is guided by the above mentioned research questions. Significant of the study. Practical. Helps LAFTOFOM improve competitiveness through innovation. Policy supports national industrial and innovation policy design. Academic adds to limited research on Ethiopian manufacturing innovation. Hence, this study benefits academic, industry, and policy makers, offering evidence-based insights into how small and medium enterprise can innovate effectively. The other is scope and delimitation of the study. Geographical scope. LAFTOFOM factory situated in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Semantic or conceptual scope, the relationship between innovation and firm's competitiveness. Temporal is a 1-year research, tracing 5 years of production. The study focuses on LAFTOFOM, but draws comparative lessons from other medium-scale Ethiopian manufacturers. The other is literature review. The concept of business innovation. Innovation is the introduction of a new product, new production process, new markets, new raw materials, and new organizational firms, according to the Ferreira, Reis, and Pinto 2017. Modern scholars expand this view by categorizing innovation into 4 key types: product innovation, process innovation, marketing innovation, and organizational innovation. This is a modern scholars division. According to the Risken and Carstensen, 2011, OECD 2018. These categories help explain now how firms improve operational performance, create market. The relation between business competitiveness and innovation. According to Zoe Andre, 2019, innovation and business competitiveness have a dynamic and mutually reinforcing relationships. That is, innovation is a key driver for competitive advantage, allowing business to adapt to market change and maintain an edge. While competition can spur innovation by creating pressure to improve products, service, and process. The link business competitiveness and innovation. The innovation has characters of the permanent change, which aim to adopt variable determinant in order to achieve the success of competitiveness strategy, according to Andre 2019. Innovation strategies and activities a company used to generate new idea, products, services, and process driven by internal capability, its market environment, or its strategic intent. Competitiveness, company's ability to outperform its rival, and business success, short-term profitability and market position. Further growth, long-term variability and adaptability. The link innovation is a key driver for competitiveness. By innovation, a company can achieve 1. Market advantage, offering superior products or service to customer. 2. Optimal operational efficiency, improving process to lower costs. 3, adaptability, responding effectively to market change and external shocks. The other is research methodology, design, cross-sectional, descriptive research design. And the other is research method, sequential, explanatory, mixed method, that is qualitative and quantitative. Data source, primary, first hand from managers and employees. Secondary source, reports, firm statistics, literature. And sampling, purposive sampling will be used to select managers, and simple random sampling will be used to select employees. Analysis, data collection tools, questionnaires, structured interview and observation. Quantitative, simple descriptive statistics and table and graph using SPSS. Qualitative, semantic analysis and narrative with content analysis of company reports. Using both qualitative and quantitative methods allow to a rich understanding of how innovation works, from leadership perception to measurable impacts. Ethical consideration. The other is an important proposal thematic area. Informed consent from participants, confidentiality of company data, compliance with university ethics standards. Ethical integrity is central, ensuring that all participants' privacy and company information are protected. Reliability test. Statistical reliability will be tested using Crobunch Alpha. Expected outcomes. Detailed innovation profile of Lab2Form, identification of drivers and barriers, practical interdisciplinary recommendations, framework adaptable for other small and medium enterprises. The outcome will be a practical framework that can be applied not only at Lab2Form but also across Ethiopia's growing manufacturing sector. Conclusion of the proposal. Innovation is essential for manufacturing competitiveness. Interdisciplinary integration key to sustainable improvement. Lab2Form factory can serve as a model for Ethiopian small and medium enterprises. Innovation is not a luxury, it is a necessity for Ethiopia's manufacturing future. Through an interdisciplinary approach, Lab2Form factory can lead this transformation. This is my proposal. I will attach my presentation PowerPoint with link further information. Thank you so much.